Let's take a look at how to assemble our BBS 16-inch wheel center cap. The assembly consists of 4 main components: the adapter, the waffle plate, the hexagon, and an emblem holder. The only tool you'll need is an Allen key. We'll start with the adapter. This is the part that mounts directly to the wheel. You'll notice 3 screws that are used to secure it in place. There is also an alignment tab that you need to position so that it's pointing towards the line on your wheel. Before tightening the screws, install the waffle plate over the adapter. The waffle plate has a notch that you need to place over the alignment tab from the adapter. Make sure to line it up correctly to ensure proper orientation on the wheel. Once everything is aligned, tighten the 3 screws to secure the adapter. If tightened properly, you can see that the adapter won't fall out. Next, thread the hexagon into the adapter and tighten it. We offer a hex key wrench for easier tightening of the center cap. You can find it on our web shop or through the link in the description. The hexagon is designed to fit original style 3-prong BBS emblems and other compatible emblems using the same mounting system. We also include a blank emblem holder, allowing you to install a sticker emblem of your choice, such as a BMW emblem. That's it. Thank you for watching and drive safely.